you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have LookFantastic's beauty box for February. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I just received February's LookFantastic beauty box. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, LookFantastic, for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So this time we do have this nice, pretty, like a peach coral colored box. And you guys know I love saving these boxes for storage, crafts, send stuff out for you guys, whatever. But these boxes are constructed very well and I always keep them. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in February's edition. Here is the magazine with this gorgeous woman right on top. And this goes over a lot of the information plus a whole lot of other information. You can sit down and look through this. And then inside of here, there's the tissue paper with the sticker. And let's take a look and see what this month is gonna bring us. And there's a little sneak peek. So let's go ahead and see what all we have inside. So the first thing that I'm going to be pulling out is right here, and it says it's a 2-pack wipe out swipes, eco-friendly makeup microfiber makeup removal pads, removes makeup with just water. So there's that. Okay, so this says 2 microfiber cleansing pads that remove even the toughest of makeup with just warm water. Super soft and ideal for sensitive skin. Ooh, those are cute. I like the colors too. Like one's like a pink and one's a gray. How cute. Super soft and ideal for sensitive skin as no cleanser is needed. Simply throw into the Simply throw into the washing machine. Just says soak the pads in warm water, squeeze out any excess and wipe over face and eyes and lids. Double-sided to remove all of your makeup in one go. So you remove your makeup, toss it in the washer, and you reuse them again. So kind of like the makeup eraser, but in a different form, and they're little puffs. So that is super cute, and I actually use those like every day to get my makeup off at night. If they're like the makeup eraser, you need to wash them first before using them. But that is so cool that you have a little 2-pack here, and it does give you some more information about the company. There's a little paper in there as well, but those are super cute. So we have those 2 washable pads. Now we have is a strawberry macaroon or macaron, however you want to say it, tomato. But this is a hand and body butter. Soothe and nourish with this uplifting hand and body butter. Ooh, I bet you that smells amazing. And that is a really good size for a hand cream. Well, it's hand and body, but for hand creams, normally they're like half the size. So this is a really good size. What is it? A thick hydrating moisturizer. I'm gonna pull this off. For your body with a delectable strawberry scent. Treat, soothe, and refresh dry skin. Cruelty-free and paraben-free. So let's get a little bit. Oh, that smells really good. It smells really good and it feels really nice. So again, that's a really good size. You could always drop it down in your purse. You can put it in your desk. You can put it in your car. You can put it in your gym bag, book bag, whichever you would like. But that is a good size right there. So a hand and body cream. All right. So next we have is an Elemis product. This is a papaya enzyme peel, advanced skincare. Now it looks like this would have been one of 2 items. You would have received this, or you would have received a Madeira SOS Hydra Recharge Cream. There they are. So you have your 6th item could have been one or the other, the 6.1 or the 6.2. That is so cool. So I got the Elemis product, and of course I love Elemis, so I'm super glad to get this. And it says apply all over, cleanse skin, avoiding eye area, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. You guys know I don't really care for the ones you gotta rinse off, but it's Elemis, it's an exfoliator. So there's that. Okay, so here is the next product right there. And this says that it's a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess-free and quick apply with a glitter finish, which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. Swipe color across the lid using this applicator. Build up where necessary and blend using your finger or an eyeshadow brush. And it would have came in Zodiac, which is a warm rosy copper, or Stardust, which is a shimmery silver. So you would have received either or for the color combination. And I received Zodiac, which is the warm rosy copper, but I do not use liquid eyeshadow, so I will set this in my future giveaway pile to go to one of you guys. So there's that. And it says that it's a lid gloss. At first I thought it said lip gloss, but then it said put on your eyelids. Then I got confused. It's a lid gloss, not a lip gloss. This says Balance Me, and this is a glow mask. So here's this little sample guy here. And it says a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify, and plump your complexion. Massage into cleanse skin, avoiding your eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and remove using a warm, damp cloth. So same thing when you have to remove. So I'll probably just set this aside for one of you guys to try out. And then the last item in here is the Illamasqua Beyond Veil. And I actually have the full size one in this. So I will save this for one of you guys to enjoy because I love the full size. So now one of you guys can enjoy it as well and test it out. So there's that, and I'm not going to open it because it's going to go to one of you guys. That is what the full size looks like, and it feels so good on my skin. I got it in one of my boxes. I'm not quite sure which one, but I really do enjoy it. So again, I will save this for one of you guys. So that is everything that came in this month's Look Fantastic beauty box, you guys. If you want to check them out, I have them linked down below. If you follow that link, you can get your very first box for $1 if you buy a prepaid 12-month subscription. You can purchase anything else if you want to just do month to month to try it out, or a 3 or a 6 month. But if you do the 12 months, your very first box will be $1. If you do month to month, it's $19. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $18. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $17 per box. And if you go all the way to 12, it brings it to $16 per box, and there's free international shipping. All boxes are supposed to have a guaranteed worth of $60 or higher in each box. And again, free international shipping, and the boxes you can save for storage as well. So there you go, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? What did you think of the items that they put in it? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.